In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user stories in ClickUp. User stories are an essential part of any Agile workflow, helping you define and break down tasks in a way that's easy to understand and actionable for your team. With ClickUp, a powerful project management tool, creating and organizing user stories is simple and intuitive. Whether you're working on development tasks, sprint planning, or just need a structured way to track your work, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started. First, navigate to the correct team space where your development work or planning takes place. This is the area in ClickUp where you and your team collaborate on projects, so make sure you're in the right spot before proceeding. Next, look for the plus button. It's typically located in the top right corner. Click it to create something new. When the menu appears, select List from the available options. Now, it's time to give your new list a clear and meaningful name. For example, you might call it User Stories to reflect its purpose. This will help you and your team quickly identify the list later on. Once you've entered the name, click the Create button to finalize the creation of your new list. After creating the list, locate it in the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your lists are displayed, so you should see your new User Stories list there. Once your list is ready, click Add Task within the list to create your first user story. When prompted, give your task a name, something simple and descriptive like User Story 1. You can also add a brief description at this point, but don't worry, you'll be able to expand on it later. Now, open the task you just created. Inside, you'll find a section for the description. This is where you can write out the full user story in detail. Take your time to explain the story clearly so that your team members understand its purpose and requirements. If you have any relevant files, such as mockups, screenshots, or other important documents, upload them directly to the task. This keeps everything centralized and accessible. Next, if the user story needs to be assigned to a specific team member, go ahead and assign it now. This ensures accountability and helps your team stay organized. If the task is part of a sprint or has a deadline, set a due date to keep things on track. This will help you prioritize and manage your timeline effectively. You can also mark the priority level of the task, for example, high or low, to indicate its importance. This is especially useful when managing multiple user stories at once. To further customize the task, consider adding labels, checklists, or other settings as needed. These features can help organize and track progress on more complex user stories. Once you've added all the necessary details, review the user story to make sure everything is accurate and clear. If you find anything that needs adjustment, edit it before moving on. When you're ready to add more user stories, simply repeat the process. Create a new task, name it, and follow the same steps to build out your list. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your workflows today. And that's it. Now you know how to add user stories in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.